Here is how to block or unblock someone on Instagram. So first, you need to go ahead and launch your Instagram application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Now, in order to go ahead and block someone, you need to find their profile and go to their profile. Once you're in their profile, you need to tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen, and you'll get the block option, which is highlighted in red color between restrict and report. Go ahead and tap on it. Then tap on block again, which is highlighted in blue color to confirm, and you'll be done. If the user has been offensive, you can block and report them as well. Otherwise, tap on block to confirm. Keep in mind that blocking someone means that you'll no longer follow each other. They also won't be able to see your profile or post, and you won't see them in your feed. So if you want to unblock someone after you've blocked them, tap on your profile picture from the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner to go to your settings. And there you'll get the section of blocked. Go ahead and access it. And now to unblock someone, go ahead and select unblock beside their name, and you'll be done. If you want to follow them again, you can go back to their profile or search for them and select follow. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.